in vast temperature-controlled facilities designed for efficiency and scale. The story of frozen pizza begins long before it reaches your home oven. It starts with basic, humble ingredients: flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and oil, measured in tons and mixed in industrial-scale mixers. These towering machines churn with rhythmic force, blending the ingredients into smooth, elastic dough capable of supporting thousands of pizzas per hour. This dough, though simple in composition, is engineered for consistency. Moisture content, elasticity, and fermentation are precisely monitored. Once mixed, the dough embarks on a journey across a network of automated conveyor belts, portioning machines. These steel giants divide the dough into uniform pieces, each one weighed and shaped to match the target pizza size, whether personal, medium, or large. The portioned dough then arrives at the sheeting station. Here, powerful rollers flatten each ball into a circular base. Sensors scan every disc for thickness and diameter. Imperfect ones rejected automatically. Next comes the sauce station. Long metallic arms fitted with precision nozzles hover above the moving crusts, releasing a controlled flow of tomato sauce. Seasoned with proprietary spice blends, the sauce is spread evenly across the surface, the quantity precisely adjusted based on pizza size. Then comes the cheese. A blend of mozzarella, provolone, and cheddar is released from gravity-fed hoppers. Vibrating screens help distribute it evenly across every pizza. The result? A consistent, cheesy layer ready to support the next stage. Toppings. Mechanical arms, lasers, and weight sensors ensure no pizza is overloaded or underdressed. Every slice of pepperoni, every mushroom, has a designated place. With toppings set, the pizzas travel into massive tunnel ovens. Inside, hot air circulates through convection, baking the crust, melting the cheese, and lightly charring the toppings, achieving the exact texture and flavor the manufacturer promises. Upon exiting the oven, pizzas must cool rapidly. Conveyor belts lined with cooling systems reduce the internal temperature quickly and safely, preparing them for the next critical phase: deep freezing. In blast freezers, temperatures plunge as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Within minutes, every molecule of water inside the pizza crystallizes, halting all microbial activity. This freezing process locks in flavor, texture, and freshness without preservatives. Once frozen, the pizzas move into the inspection zone. Here, high-speed cameras and sensors evaluate every pizza. Is the crust too dark? Are toppings uneven? If so, the product is automatically removed from the line. Those that pass are packaged quickly and efficiently. Mechanical arms slide each frozen pizza into a cardboard box or wrap it in airtight plastic. Branding, nutritional labels, and expiration dates are printed. Seals are checked. Boxes are stacked. Shipments are prepared. And then, just like that, the pizzas are stored in warehouse freezers, waiting to begin their journey to grocery stores, corner shops, and eventually, your kitchen. Behind this streamlined, high-tech process is a booming industry. Between 2021 and 2022, frozen pizza sales in the United States surged from approximately $6.06 billion to $6.77 billion. Why the rise? First, convenience. In a fast-paced world and amid global events like the COVID-19 pandemic, people crave easy, satisfying meals they can rely on. Innovation. Today's frozen pizzas are available in gourmet styles, plant-based options, and gluten-free crusts. What used to be a basic snack is now a customizable meal for almost any dietary preference. Third, trust. Consumers know what to expect. Whether you're feeding a family or grabbing a quick meal between Zoom calls, frozen pizza offers predictability, a delicious constant in a changing world. It's not just about food. It's about efficiency, technology, and meeting demand at scale. Behind every pizza lies a world of engineering, supply chain logistics, and quality assurance, all working in harmony. So the next time you pop a frozen pizza into the oven, think of the journey it took. From bulk mixers and robotic arms to blast freezers and laser inspections, from industrial ovens to your home table. It's more than a convenience, it's a marvel of modern manufacturing, made to deliver one hot, crispy, cheesy promise every single time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of frozen pizza, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a slice of fascinating food, science, and industry insight. Thanks for watching.